Oh my gosh, you guys. So there is nothing more exciting than you receiving a package that is your own product. Let's go ahead and get to it. Hey everybody, this is India with Bags and Lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching this video. There is an extra excitement that I am having right now because obviously you see the intro. I'm talking about a product of my own that I created. It's so crazy. Okay, so before we get all into it, first off, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If this is not your first time, or if it is your first time and you have not seen my previous video where I talked about my Amazon KDP experience, I will link it at the end of this video so you can check it out to get kind of the full story and the lessons that kind of, those details. But quickly here, I did say in that video that I would talk about my journey with Amazon KDP. And I'm saying this and I'm talking to myself as I'm saying it to you. I'm talking to you, okay? Look, so I'm nervous about sharing this information because I just feel like, like in the back of your mind, you're thinking, well, what if it doesn't work out? What if it doesn't fail? Well, guess what? This is a video. So guess if I am ever embarrassed by it, I can always delete it. Okay. So that's one thing. And then also I have to encourage myself, and I'm encouraging you all too, that just because you try something doesn't mean you won't fail. And but you for sure will fail if you don't start. But there are plenty of success stories out there where people who are super famous have tried things out before and they had to keep trying several things or trying different things or tweaking the same thing just to get a success out of it. And so the whole reason I am doing Amazon KDP books is because one of my goals is to create passive income. And I have several projects that are floating out there right now. If you all are wondering, hold on, you only have like 300-ish subscribers. I'm sorry, I have less than, right at this point when I'm recording this video, I have less than 300 subscribers. So you're probably thinking, or someone out there may be thinking, wait a minute, why is she even recording an Amazon KDP video? Or why are you even trying to create a product? Well, it's to create passive income. My YouTube channel, I really enjoy it, and it is a hobby. If I can make extra money from my YouTube channel, I absolutely will. Why not? It doesn't hurt. However, my KDP book experience is completely separate from YouTube. I'm sharing it on here because it's part of my life, but it's completely separate. So to answer that question, that's why, because that is something separate from my YouTube channel. And also I am trying to generate passive income. Now, it's going to take some elbow grease and some work first. So I don't just think I'm just going to set it and forget it. But one of those first things that I'm doing is sharing it with you all, my wonderful community that is out here. So this is my first reveal of that, and also giving you my story as well as some encouragement, because I work a 9 to 5. And if everybody out there should know that you should not have all your eggs in one basket. So if you do, definitely start looking at other opportunities for yourself to generate extra revenue, because you could have a job today and not have a job tomorrow. And if you don't have those extra outside streams coming in, then guess what? You're messed up. So that is why I'm trying to generate passive revenue to have extra streams outside of my main job. And it's fun. It's really fun. So anyway, let me go ahead and get into it. So just to give you an update with my Amazon KDP experience, I first started, I would say, like the whole experience. And when I mean that, I mean like starting to watch videos, get ideas, figure out what to do. That started in December of 2023. My first book went live for my first low content book went live in January of we're in 2023. 2022 in December, sorry. And then my first book went live in January of 2023. I'm like, girl, December 2023 has not happened yet. But anyway, and then my second low content book went live either in February or March of 2023. Now, from my total sales from that so far has been $33. Is that a lot? No, it's not a lot. But guess what? It's okay, right? I'm trying it out. I need to figure it out, learn it. Nothing said you're going to drop your first book and make millions off of it. That would have been amazing. But you still have to work it, figure out what works, figure out what doesn't. So I took some months to kind of figure out, along with some other things that I was doing, to figure out another avenue to go down, another book to create. And I went down the activity space. So I'm very nervous about this because live on camera, okay, I am going to reveal this. And I am nervous because what if I don't like it? So I'm doing this for two reasons. First off, I ordered several books first to see what they look like because I wanted to make sure they looked okay, they printed well before I made them live. Secondly, thank you because some of these people that helped me out with this watch my channel. So thank you to those folks who you know who you are. So I had a couple of my friends as well as one of my cousins look through the activity book because they have children in the age range that I was trying to target to let me know if the activities were appropriate. So thank you all to them. And the other reason I ordered the book is to send them a copy as a thank you to give to their daughters so that way they can be entertained, stay busy, leave mama alone for a while, and also reduce their screen time. So we're going to look at the book now. And I picked it up yesterday and had to keep myself from opening it. So here it is. I think it looks good. I wanted it to be a lot more colorful on the back. So like this is not as colorful as I wanted it to be. It seems a little washed out. So I think I'm going to make this darker. But I was nervous because what if I was like, I hate this book. And this is like a recording of it. But overall, I think it looks good. I'm so excited because I feel like a real publisher or something, author, because with a medium content book, which this activity book is considered a medium content book, you get a ISBN number, I think it is called. So I feel a little more official now. That feels so cool. But anyway, so if you're wondering like why this band is across the top where it's across the middle where it says not for resale, is because I ordered the author's copy to proof it first, basically. So you order these at cost, they don't count towards your sale. And so that reduces, like you haven't paid full price in order to see a printed version of your book. Because if you don't know, it's on demand. So when someone orders it, it prints and ships out, and Amazon handles that for me. I don't have to do that. So that's the amazing part about doing this whole KDP experience. Also, I just really loved it. Was fun. It was very, very fun making this activity book. I think it looks good. So this is a unicorn activity book, and it is targeted for children ages 5 to 9. So the graduated activities, obviously, so if you have a child that's 6, there are going to be some activities in here that they may not be able to do on their own. So you may have to help them. But I think overall I'm excited. So that's a coloring page. I have another activity for them to do. Got some requests for them to tell time, things like that. So I think overall the front of it came out really nice. So I'm happy about that. The only thing I am planning to change is going to be this back cover. So it's more, I want the clouds to be a little bit more blue, but I wanted something positive. So they know they're creative, they're smart, and they can be anything. So I like it. It's my first activity book. My creative juices are flowing. So I have 3 other ideas as far as children focused activity books go. But if you're an adult, guess what? They have adult coloring books. So if you just want to support, thank you so much. The link to this one will be down below if you want to buy it, and if you want to play with it yourself and take your mind off and de-stress and decompress, you can color and do these little activities for yourself, or you can give it away to your child or someone else that you think has a child that would enjoy it. So overall, I'm very happy with the way it came out. And I was so nervous because I thought, what if I hate this the way it looks? And I have now memorialized that moment for everyone to see. But Yes. So if you have any questions about the Amazon KDP experience, as far as like, I'm in no way an expert, but I can definitely tell you the lessons learned that I have learned so far. Definitely leave those in the comments down below. Please go ahead and like this video. That would be greatly appreciated. Liking a video is a simple thank you. And with us creators that are creating this content, and basically it's free to you, the least you can do is say thank you by liking the video. So thank you. I would definitely appreciate that. And then, yeah, I already talked about it. So that video will be at the end. So you should see it popping up now. Thank you so much for watching. And I will keep you updated as this goes along.